Modern and Contemporary Home Styles. Chapter 1, Mid-Century and Contemporary.
Mid-century modern home styles.
Mid-century modern homes, originating in the mid-20th century, are renowned for their clean lines, large windows, and seamless integration with nature. These homes are characterized by their simplicity, functionality, and emphasis on bringing the outdoors in. The architectural style often features open floor plans, which create a spacious and airy feel, allowing for an effortless flow between rooms. Large glass windows, often spanning from floor to ceiling, are a hallmark of mid-century modern design, offering abundant natural light and panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. The use of both natural and man-made materials is another distinctive feature. Natural materials like wood and stone are juxtaposed with steel, glass, and concrete, creating a harmonious blend that feels both warm and contemporary. Flat planes and geometric lines define the exterior and interior spaces, giving these homes a sleek, uncluttered appearance. The integration with nature is further emphasized by the inclusion of indoor-outdoor living spaces, such as patios and courtyards, which extend the living area and enhance the connection with the environment. The color palette in mid-century modern homes typically includes neutral tones, accented by bold, vibrant colors that add a playful touch. Furnishings are often minimalist, focusing on functionality and form, with iconic pieces from designers like Eames, Noguchi, and Saarinen. Overall, mid-century modern homes offer a timeless aesthetic that combines beauty, practicality, and a deep appreciation for the natural world, making them a popular choice for homeowners who value both design and lifestyle.
Contemporary home styles.
Contemporary home styles represent the architecture and design trends of the present day, characterized by a forward-thinking approach and a focus on innovation and sustainability. Unlike traditional styles that adhere to specific historical aesthetics, contemporary homes embrace a fluid, evolving aesthetic that adapts to new technologies and changing lifestyles. These homes often feature clean lines, open spaces, and a strong emphasis on natural light. Large, expansive windows are common, allowing for a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The use of eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient systems is a hallmark of contemporary design, reflecting a commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The architectural design of contemporary homes often includes a mix of geometric shapes and asymmetrical facades, creating a visually striking appearance. The interiors are designed with functionality in mind, offering flexible spaces that can be easily adapted to the needs of the occupants. Minimalism is a key principle, with a focus on clutter-free spaces and simple, elegant furnishings. The color palette in contemporary homes typically includes neutral tones such as white, gray, and beige, accented by bold, vibrant colors to create visual interest. Innovative materials and finishes, such as concrete, steel, and glass, are often used to create a sleek, modern look. In addition to aesthetic considerations, contemporary home styles prioritize comfort and convenience. Smart home technologies, such as automated lighting, climate control, and security systems, are commonly integrated into the design, enhancing the overall living experience. Outdoor living spaces, such as patios, terraces, and rooftop gardens, are also a common feature, providing additional areas for relaxation and entertainment. Contemporary homes are designed to be both functional and beautiful, offering a living environment that is stylish, comfortable, and in harmony with the natural surroundings. Whether situated in an urban setting or a rural landscape, contemporary home styles offer a versatile and an adaptable approach to modern living, catering to the diverse needs and preferences of today's homeowners.
Chapter 2, Minimalist and Prairie Home Styles.
Minimalist home styles.
Minimalist home styles are characterized by their simplicity, clarity, and intentional use of space. This design philosophy emphasizes the idea of less is more, focusing on the essential elements and eliminating any unnecessary details. The result is a clean, uncluttered environment that promotes a sense of calm and order. Minimalist homes often feature open floor plans that enhance the flow of space and light, creating a serene and airy atmosphere. The color palette is typically neutral, with shades of white, gray, and beige dominating the interiors. These colors not only contribute to the sense of spaciousness, but also provide a versatile backdrop for minimalist furnishings and decor. The use of natural materials such as wood, stone, and concrete is common in minimalist design, adding texture and warmth to the otherwise austere spaces. Large windows and glass doors are frequently used to bring in natural light and connect the interior with the outdoors, reinforcing the sense of openness and harmony with nature. Furnishings in minimalist homes are chosen for their simplicity and functionality. Each piece is carefully selected to serve a purpose, with an emphasis on clean lines, geometric shapes, and high-quality materials. Storage solutions are cleverly integrated into the design to keep surfaces free from clutter, further enhancing the minimalist aesthetic. Minimalist home styles also incorporate elements of sustainable and eco-friendly design. Energy-efficient lighting, heating, and cooling systems, as well as the use of recycled or sustainable materials, reflect a commitment to environmental responsibility. The overall goal of minimalist design is to create a living space that is both beautiful and functional, fostering a sense of peace and well-being. By stripping away the superfluous and focusing on what truly matters, minimalist homes offer a refreshing antidote to the chaos and complexity of modern life. Whether located in an urban setting or a rural retreat, minimalist home styles provide a timeless and adaptable approach to contemporary living, appealing to those who value simplicity, clarity, and purposeful design.
Prairie Style home styles.
Prairie Style homes, developed by architect Frank Lloyd Wright in the early 20th century, are known for their distinctive horizontal lines and organic integration with the landscape. These homes are designed to blend harmoniously with their surroundings, often featuring low-pitched roofs, overhanging eaves, and strong horizontal lines that echo the flat expanses of the Midwest prairie. The interiors of prairie-style homes are characterized by open floor plans that promote a sense of spaciousness and flow between rooms. Central to this design is the use of natural materials, such as wood and stone, which create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Large, geometric windows allow for ample natural light and offer expansive views of the surrounding environment. The color palette typically includes earth tones like browns, tans, and greens, further enhancing the connection with nature. Built-in furniture and cabinetry are common features, contributing to the clean lines and functional layout of these homes. Prairie-style homes often include extensive use of handcrafted details and artistic elements, such as stained glass windows and custom woodwork, which add to their unique charm and character. Overall, prairie-style homes offer a timeless and elegant approach to residential architecture, emphasizing simplicity, craftsmanship, and a deep respect for the natural world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Hit the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos so you never miss out. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more exciting videos.
The voices in this recording were created with the assistance of OpenAI.